In this video, I will show you how to earn Sam's Cash as a Plus member. So if you're Sam's Club Plus member, you can simply earn Sam's Cash from three ways. So the first way to earn Sam's Cash as a Plus member is through in-club purchases. You can earn up to 2% cashback on qualifying pre-tax in-club purchases. And then the next way is to simply get Sam's Club Mastercard. And once you do that, you'll get various types of cashbacks, and that can be your Sam's Club cash. Or you can simply click on Sam's bonus offers. From here, once you log in, you can find various types of offers once you link your card for the payment options. And after that, you might be getting various bonus and bonus cashbacks. And that's it. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.